Hello and welcome. You're watching the Rundown Report, your weekly breakdown of the biggest stories in tech, AI, and cybersecurity. Let's get started. In a major pivot for artificial intelligence, the industry is rapidly advancing toward agentic AI systems that evolve from simple assistants to autonomous tools capable of executing complex tasks independently. This week, Apple announced a significant AI overhaul, including a smarter conversational Siri and restructuring hardware teams around AI-driven innovation. Meanwhile, Microsoft opened Windows 11 to third-party AI agents directly on the taskbar for seamless integration. Google deepened AI embedding in Workspace, turning it into a virtual office in turn, amid surging demand for infrastructure fueled by AI adoption across sectors like scientific research. Europol's IOCTA 2026 report highlighted a dangerous shift to industrialized cybercrime, where AI, ransomware, and data theft are supercharging attacks on critical infrastructure. The report also flags AI as a key enabler for operations, including those using encryption and crypto for invasion. Elon Musk took the stand this week in his high-profile lawsuit against OpenAI, accusing the company of straying from its non-profit roots amid explosive growth. The April 29 testimony delved into governance disputes and AI safety concerns, drawing global attention to tensions between founders and rapid commercialization. Meanwhile, Anthropic faced backlash over unauthorized access to its restricted Mythos model, exposing vulnerabilities in AI access control. India's information security spending is projected to reach $3.4 billion in 2026. This is driven by AI threats and regulatory demands, with security software leading growth at 12.4%. Experts note CISOs shifting to preemptive defenses against attacks, including those on cloud and networks. This comes alongside local debates on draft IT rules and DPI's role in boosting GDP forecasts. OpenAI rolled an enhanced image generator alongside a privacy-focused redaction model this week. The update is to address growing scrutiny over data handling, especially after a copyright suit in India and election season AI backlash. Well, that is all the time we have on this episode of Rundown Report. Keep watching the mainstream for more news and updates. This is Arushi Mishra.